So there's about a month until vNext, which is a tech conference. It's happening in Denver at the beginning of June. You should really try and get to it if you can. It's going to be a really good conference. It's going to be a very important conference for you if you are figuring out kind of what's happening with Teams, what's happening with unified communications in that Microsoft space. And there's a number of reasons you want to attend. I'm doing a couple of sessions, and what I want to talk about is one around building apps for Teams when you're not a developer. So, and this is really important because it comes at a really good point. Microsoft is changing. It's not a software company anymore. It's becoming a platform company, and you need to understand what that means, and you need to understand what impact it has for you and for your career and what you're going to do next. And if you're thinking that the way Microsoft is going with platform and platform development and app development, and it all sounds kind of crazy and too complicated and not something you can get involved with, you're wrong. You absolutely can get involved in it. It is way easier than you think it's going to be. That's why I want you to come to my session, because I want to show you how you can do things. I want to show you how you can get involved in doing application development, how it's not as hard as you think. I want to give you concrete steps, things that you can walk away with and do, things that you can do on the day of the conference and the weeks afterwards in your organization to make a real difference. And maybe this time next year, you'll be doing applications in Teams as well as all the other stuff you kind of do in Teams. So unified communications is changing, apps are changing, that whole space is changing, Microsoft is changing how it is delivering things and delivering services. You need to be on top of all of that. So come to vNext if you possibly can. If you are coming to vNext, look up my session. It's called Building Apps for Microsoft Teams as a non-developer. Read the abstract. If it sounds interesting, come along, come and say hi. It'll be great to see you there.